Hi, I'm Holly Clegg. Welcome to my Trim and Terrific kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an easy fruit dessert. Have you ever had a dessert pizza? Oh, they're so good. And wait until you try my tropical fruit pizza. So easy to make and it's as pretty as a picture. All you need to do is start with a sugar cookie dough, and then we're going to do a layer of luscious cream cheese tropical filling. Then we're going to top it with fresh fruits and really whatever fruit you want. Easy, beautiful, so let's get started. So we're going to start with our reduced fat cream cheese because everything I do is trim and terrific. And we're using a little sugar. Here we go. And here's my secret coconut extract. It gives it that tropical flavor. We're doing about a teaspoon of that. Tropical flavor without all the coconut fat. We're going to whip it together real quickly. I can smell it. Okay, and then we're going to fold in orange rind. And orange rind really gives it that, fuses more flavor in something than you realize, but you can buy it dried if you don't want to do it fresh. And then just some fat-free whipped topping, which sort of lightens it up. And here it is. It's all finished. And you could smell the tropical flavors in it, and it's just this luscious cream cheese filling. Now, I'm spreading it on my cookie crust. This is a sugar cookie dough, and this is important. We baked it for about 12 minutes, and you want to let it cool. So really, while it's cooling, you could start your topping. So now we're just going to spread it on, and this is going to be our bottom layer. Now we're going to add the fruit to our tropical fruit pizza, my absolute favorite dessert pizza. Now, I don't want you to get caught up how the fruit has to be in a certain order. I could tell you every single time I make this pizza, it looks different. So let's get started with these wonderful fresh fruit. And today I've used strawberries, pineapple, mango, blueberries, mandarin, oranges. This is going to take a long time to do, but I'll tell you it's worth it. Here's our tropical fruit pizza, and you saw how easy it was to make. For the recipe, you could just look in the link below. See you in the kitchen.